Yo, guys, the double up was necessary. It was a must. I know it's a lot of people watching today's video that feel the same way about these sneakers and a bunch more sneakers coming out this year that we haven't even gotten yet. We got so many classics, so many bangers coming out this year that I know a lot of people are going to be inclined to double up, bro. That double up sometimes just feel necessary, even though it's probably, financially irresponsible. But it is what it is, man. We love these sneakers. We buy these sneakers. You only live once, man. Make sure you are doing it responsibly when you're buying some of these sneakers, bro. Don't be like me back in the day, you know what I'm saying? Back when I was about 16, 17, I was spending all my money on one pair of kicks, which is crazy. I hope you're not like that. Make sure you are being responsible with your money. But these right here was definitely a double that I needed. I know you guys are gonna feel me when we get into today's unboxing, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping in. Your boy, the vintage, is back, and we got another crazy unboxing for you guys. And these right here, bro, I know sometimes, like, I was looking at my videos, like, I be telling people to buy shoes right now a lot, and I don't want to say that too loosely, because sometimes people go out there and buy it now. But for certain sneakers, and when I do feel like it's time to buy it, that's because it's at a low price. So if you don't got that money to spend it right then and there, don't do it. Please don't listen to me. But for everybody that's interested in adding sneakers to the collection, that's why I put buy now, because the resale prices are at its lowest point, and these right here are not going to get any lower no time soon. I'm explaining to you guys why. But if you are new here to the channel, man, right now I need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button for your boy. Run them likes up, man. Every single like counts. And make sure you comment down below. Comment down below. Let me know your top 5 sneaker pickups so far this year. And I know that's very, very hard, especially if you picked up the Black Cat 3s, the Black Metallics, it's a whole bunch of heat that came out. If you can narrow down the top 5 so far, we only in March. Hey, I commend you for that. But go ahead and comment that down below if you don't mind. It'd be greatly appreciated, man. All right, man, so here we have it. Now, you guys know, bro, about a couple of weeks ago, over the last couple of weeks, we have been getting some tremendous heat to drop. Some tremendous heat, you know what I'm saying? I've been spending a lot of money. That's I only want to buy like 12 shoes this year. Is looking real ugly because I'm already at like, 6 or 7. And I don't know, I might have to push that back 15 or 20. I said, I don't know, bro. This might be my last year buying shoes. I keep telling y'all that. And I think I'm gonna stick to it. So, 15 might be the number I stick to this year just for that segment. But these right here, I got a surprising W, and after how to release one online, after how to release one in person, I did not think that I would be able to get these, man. So with all out the way, let's go ahead and get into today's box. Now the box is looking super different. I'm glad that Nike don't have that just steal me tape on the box. I was gonna be a little nervous out here where I stay, but we go ahead and get into them, bro. The classic that is a must for your sneaker collection, bro. This is a must for your sneaker collection. I know everybody can agree with me on that one. And this one probably is the best of its silhouette. And the prices, bro, the prices have been looking a little scary. Let's go ahead and get into it, bro. Y'all see them, man. Y'all see what your boy, the bitches got. And I know you guys are probably like, yo, you said you weren't gonna buy one pair this year, and now I ended up with 2 of these guys, man. So let's go ahead and get into them, bro. I'll be going back on more at all time when it comes to sneakers. Everything else, I'm true to my word. But let's go ahead and see what sneakers have sent your boy on this double up journey, on this double up quest. And yes, sir, here we have them, the Air Jordan 12 Fluke games. And just see them again, bro. They even look more crispy, bro. The double up was a must. I know you guys probably in the comment section say I got 3, 4 pair. Hey, I ain't doing all that crazy stuff, but I did secure a double up. So here goes the first pair, and here goes the second pair right here. So you guys know I ain't capping, bro. We ain't capping, man. We got 2 pairs of these things. I'm only gonna pull out 1 shoe. Oh, I ain't trying to make a freaking mess. Oh, we're gonna keep that in the video. We're not gonna cut that out. All right, so you guys can see we have the double up, man. This is the pair that I picked up from Foot Locker. You guys remember last week the sneakers app was, or not the sneakers app, Foot Locker app was acting crazy, mad glitches, but we were able to secure, and here goes the sneakers app here. You guys know sneakers went quick, and I was late to enter this drop, and I still got a W surprisingly. That's why I said I'm surprised I got a W, bro, because I was like, you know, I got my pair secure in store. I'm not really tripping on sneakers, and next thing you know, you get them. That's how it be sometimes. It's crazy, but you guys know, man, here you have them. Flu Game 12s. I did do a full review on feed over these, but something that I did not mention is how this is a must in a Sneakerheads collection. This is one of them ones, bro. You know, you got those top 5 that you need in a collection. It's probably like a top 7 I feel like you should have as a collector, and I don't have one of them, bro. I don't have one of them, and this is all personal opinion. I still don't have the breads, like the 2016 pair or the pair I just released, because I don't want to spend $400-500 on the shoe. Even already spent $600-800 on shoes already this month. I don't want to spend $500 on the breads. There's just something about it. I can't hit for retail. Why can't I hit a pair of bread once for retail? That's what I'm trying to figure out, man. But at the end of the day, I might end up still doing it probably around the summertime, because it's, you know, the drops kind of get a little lighter then. But for these Air Jordan 12 Flu Games, the reason why I said to get them now, the prices were very, very high throughout the week. And we got like a little weird restock. I don't know what app it was on, maybe Foot Locker. And then, you know, of course, that went super quick. And it was going still for around $300. $300 the week after the drop of the Air Jordan 12 Flu Games is only going to go up. And the shoe that I want you guys to reference, bro, is the black metallic Air Jordan 5s. Some things are still rising as we speak, and we ain't hearing about a restock no time soon. And I'm pretty sure that Foot Locker restock was due to all the glitches and stuff that it did have. But other than that, bro, we know Nike and Jordan Brand has come back on stock, so we ain't gonna see none of those crazy restocks, those crazy Jordan reserves, which you still might do, because I do believe that when people return shoes to Nike, that's when they add all those shoes up and make a, you know, a Jordan reserve. But I don't remember the last time we seen a Jordan reserve on the Nike sneakers app, man. But that's why I'm telling you guys to get them now. I'm not just saying that, you know, just for shits and giggles. I really want to help you guys out, and especially if you do want to double up, you know, this is definitely double up worthy. So now I have 3 pair of Flu. Hold on, bro. I got 3 pair of Flu Games, and I don't know. Let me get all these Flu Games, man. Bruh, why do I have all these Flu Games, bro? This don't make no sense, man. We got 3 pair of Flus, bro. Why do we have 3 pair of Flu Games? It makes no sense. But now that I have the 2016 and the 2025 pair, I can definitely see the differences in the red. I don't know, maybe I was just tripping. But the Flu Games, definitely one of the ones. You guys can take what I say with a grain of salt, or you can actually listen to me. I'm not just up here talking. We actually trying to help you guys out, man. But here goes my double up of the Air Jordan 12 Flu Games. And it's important to note also, double ups can be beneficial for you later down the line. I'm gonna show you guys why in a future video, where I'm gonna be trading in some sneakers that will be, you know, a couple of double ups to get some of my grill sneakers. You guys are gonna see that video very, very soon. We bring in sneaker grills back. This is gonna be like episode 7 or something like that. So hey, we're gonna see how that go. But yeah, man, double up, Flu Game, Air Jordan 12. These things is cold, man. But I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's videos. Always greatly appreciated. But of course, before you slide today's video, ain't not subscribed yet, man. Sub up right now. Run them likes up and comment down below your top sneaker pickups of the year. And all that being said, man, again, I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.